Hello, welcome back to the OJ room. In the last video, I made the sleeves of the jacket in gigot sleeve form, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to make short puff sleeves using only the top sleeve of the gigot sleeve. Measure the length of the arm pattern part of the sleeve. The M size I use is 32 cm in total length. Now we are going to make a rectangular of 34 cm width, 6 cm length, including the seam allowance of 1 cm. Cut enough fabric and then attach the interfacing. Draw 34 cm and 6 cm and cut it out. And then draw a notch mark in the middle. The top sleeve is the same as how to make a gigot sleeve. After making this shirring, sew the side line. Then press the seam open. And now adjust the shirring so that the hem of the upper sleeve is the same length as the strap. The outer and lining sleeve should each already be sewn to the bodice. After sewing the hem of the jacket, sew the hem of the sleeve. Draw a 2 cm line on one side of the strap to make a 1 cm seam allowance. Next, fold the strap in half and iron it. Then fold the 1 cm you drew. After that, sew the side seam 1 cm with the seam allowance folded. Then press the seam open. Now we will sew the strap to the sleeves. First, stitch the outer and lining of the sleeves so that they do not move. Then put the strap into the inside of the sleeve and sew 1 cm. At this time, if you fix it with a pin first, you can sew it to the right length. Now remove all the thread holding the shirring. After taking the strap out, fold it as it is ironed and sew it. Fix it with a pin and sew. Thick seam allowances can be made thinner by pressing them with your hands or hitting them with a hammer. Also, if you use an awl, you can easily sew while pressing the fabric. Like that, this short puff sleeve is complete. My pattern testers also made short sleeve version. And these are the photos of tester who made it with a gigot sleeves version. I hope you guys make a beautiful Tweed Reverie jacket that suits your taste too. Thanks for watching. Then see you in the next video. Bye bye.